Welcome. In this short guide, we'll build a tiny, robust C# program that counts how many times a specified character appears in a string, counting both uppercase and lowercase occurrences. This is a great exercise for string handling, simple link use, and thinking about defensive programming, such as nulls or empty input. I'll walk you through the code, show examples, and explain why the implementation choices were such as the dictionary versus a simple loop, or case handling. Also, it will work well for real world text. Let's get started. The task is straightforward. Given a string and a character, which is user supplied, return how many times the character appears, ignoring case. We'll make the function resilient. If input is null, we throw a clear exception, so callers can detect misuse. But you can change that to return 0 if you prefer a softer behavior. I'll show both a neat LINQ-based solution and a clear loop-based option in the code explanation. This implementation uses char.ToLower invariant to normalize both the target and each character in the string. That keeps the comparison culture invariant and fast. We chose LINQ's count for readability, for it expresses the intent directly. If you need maximum performance from very large string, a manual for loop avoiding delicate allocations can be used. The flow is intentionally simple. We validate first, normalize once for the target, then examine each character. Normalizing each comparison ensures case-insensitive matching even for Unicode letters. The LINQ count version expresses this cleanly. A manual loop does the same thing, but may be easier to profile for hotspots. These examples confirm expected behavior. Empty strings return 0, whereas case inputs count correctly because we normalize both sides. If you need accent-aware comparisons that respect cultural rules, swap to lower invariant to lower culture info, current culture. But for most coding exercises and backend logic, invariant lowercasing is the best default. This tiny utility is surprisingly useful, from pre-processing text to simple heuristics in logs or commands. It is a common building block inside larger string processing pipelines, and a handy interview question to test string and link knowledge. Short and practical. We wrote a clean count character helper that is easy to reuse in apps, tests, and tutorials. The code is readable and safe. Explicit null handling, culture invariant normalization, and clear examples. Thanks for watching, and happy coding. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.